Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can insert a video on Google Docs. So just to insert a video, you have no option here. So first of all, what you will need to do is go ahead to your Google Drive. And from here, you want to go ahead, click on New and click on Slides. Open up a new slides presentation. After that, you want to go ahead and insert and click on Video. Now you will have options to choose from. YouTube. Let me just turn this off. Let's go back. Now you'll have options to search on YouTube or paste the URL right there, or you can go ahead and choose your Google Drive files. If you want to upload your file to Google Drive, just go ahead here and click on New and File Upload, upload your file, and then you will see it here. And you just basically need to click on it and insert it. If you want to go ahead and use a YouTube video, let's go back here, click on video, choose YouTube, enter the URL, just like so, enter and choose a video and insert it. After you have inserted it, you want to go ahead and resize it as you wish. And then you want to go ahead, click the right side of your mouse, right click of your mouse and copy this video, or just Ctrl+C. Then you want to go ahead back to your docs, choose a place where you want to insert it, choose an option Insert, then choose Drawing, and then click New. From here, you want to paste it. Now, once you have inserted it, save and close it. Now, as you can see, you cannot play it here, but to play it, you will need to go ahead and click 2 times here, and again, click 2 times on this, and now your video will start playing. So that's basically it, guys. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.